Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. My name is Dilla Malik and I am a foundation level student at Rehan School, Islamabad, Barhakau campus. Today I am doing my AI session with Maya AI on the topic of wood. So let's start. Hello Maya, can you hear
Still
me?
there? You've gone a bit quiet on me. Loud and clear. What's on your mind?
What is wood and how is it formed in nature?
Wood is basically nature's structural masterpiece. It's mostly made of cellulose, hemicellulose, and lignin, which is the stuff that makes it stiff and strong so trees can actually reach the sky. As for how it forms, it all happens in the cambium, that thin layer of living cells just under the bark. It basically acts like a growth factory, pumping out new cells that eventually harden into the rings we see. Does that make sense, or do you want the science?
Important in early human civilization.
Oh, it was everything. It basically gave us a way to control fire and build permanent shelters. Hard to imagine starting a civilization without a sturdy material that's easy to carve. Do you think we'd have evolved differently if we just didn't have forests? They were incredibly resourceful. Think hunting spears, bows for distance, and basic bowls or containers for food. Beyond the tools, they used it for fuel to keep warm and cook, which probably changed the way our brains developed. Do you think the most impressive part was the tools or the fire?
What shelter?
It was the backbone of almost every home. They used logs for frames and branches for roofing, then filled the gaps with mud or animal skins to keep the wind out. Basically turned us from nomads into people with a home base. Ever wonder what happened to those early structures once they were abandoned?
Ancient times.
It really changed the game for getting around. Boats and rafts were the first big breakthroughs, letting people cross rivers and oceans to find new lands. Then, once they figured out how to carve wheels from solid trunks, land travel became a lot more efficient. Do you think they found the water or the land more challenging to master first?
I hope you like it. We will meet in another AI. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. Pakistan Zindabad.